Yo, what is going on, people? Welcome back to another YouTube video. We're here again, crushing the markets and sharing breakdown videos with you guys. So before we jump in, I just want to say thank you to everyone who joined the live stream on Sunday. It was an incredible live stream and you guys asked some fantastic questions. So if you haven't watched that, go back. I re-uploaded it and you guys can check out all the amazing questions that we answered, from psychology to my journey to taking breaks from traveling. Everything I answered and shared so much of my strategy in that video as well. It was completely unplanned and unprepared. We was going to do a live stream breaking down the markets. However, you guys asked some fantastic questions and I was able to break them down and run over some fantastic points. So I'm going to be doing another live stream on Friday for the London session where we're going to be live trading FX and the NASDAQ together. So if you guys do want to join that, then you can click the link in the bio and you guys can be notified of when we go live. But we're going live at around 7 a.m. London time. We'll jump on for an hour or two and hopefully take some fantastic trades together. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys a day trade that I took yesterday on GBPNZD with the community. On Wednesday, I had been doing predominantly NASDAQ breakdowns. However, yesterday I didn't trade the NASDAQ and I actually traded some FX. And it was a very choppy day, but it was one of them days where the psychology had to be on point. I took 2 break-evens day trading this pair before it then came up to hit my target of over 7%. And I thought it would be beneficial for me guys to share this with you and show you that in trading, there is always going to be these times of price will take you out and it will throw you around and try and mess with your psychology. But you have to be able to adapt and stay in that neutral perspective and not get too married to your bias. If I didn't manage these trades the way I would, they would have both hit stop loss before it then ran into my profit. However, I managed them well and I took 2 break-evens before it then ran up to hit my take profit. And I want to share it with you guys and hopefully expand your trading psychology knowledge and fully help you guys understand how you can start getting in the zone. And if you're a trader who's taking trades, you go into profit and then you end up taking the loss and giving that all back, then hopefully this video will help you. So we got the coffee. We are ready to go. Let's jump straight in. So you guys can see here we have pound New Zealand. These are the 2 positions that I took yesterday, and I wasn't able to catch the third move up into the take profit, which was a little bit frustrating. However, I managed my positions very well. So although I took 2 break-evens with the community, shared everything live, for me, this was a fantastic trading day. Now, if we look at the first entry, let's just hide this one off here and let's go back to where we were right here. So reasons for taking this trade. Now, what you guys can see is we have a double top sitting up here, which tells me that there's a lot of liquidity. So I was looking for a very nice 3 to 4% to come up and take out these highs up here for a nice little intraday move. Now, what I saw was on the 5-minute, we were closing very bullish, bearish, and having that push up. Now, again, we did the exact same thing. We closed bullish, very bearish, and then very bullish, showing that it's a fake out within a fake out. So on the retest, I went long and I put my stops just below this low here and just below this low here, because if we break that, then I don't want to be involved in the trade. Price pushed up very well. We actually ran into around 1.5% profit. Now, after running in 1.5% profit, ideally you want to at least be at break even or take some percent off the table. Now, I don't take percent off the table just because I like the look of the monetary value. I take percent and adjust my stop loss and take risk off the table, depending on whether we're in a position where price could tap into and reverse and go against me. This is a reversal trade, so I have to be adaptive in the sense of knowing where price doesn't have to break this level and it could actually react to this level and come down and stop me out. And I don't want to get stopped out after running into profit. So what I had noticed was price came into this level and we were failing to break above. So this was the first barrier for me. The first barrier was if we're going to come up, retest this level and just drop lower. And if that's the case and we're respecting this level and we're not going to push up, I am not going to keep my trade open. I am going to listen to the markets and I'm going to see that, look, we're in a level of resistance. We're failing to break above. I'm in longs. I'm not married to my longs. I'm staying neutral. It makes sense for me to put my stop loss to break even. And then we fast forward on price. Look what happened. Price then came all the way back down and then would have hit stop loss. However, it hit my break even after running into 1.5%. Now, am I annoyed that I ran into 1.5%, didn't take any profit and then hit the break even? Absolutely not. My plan was to take profit up at these levels for a nice 3 to 4%. So I did the most important thing that you can do as a trader and I stuck to my plan. Now, that was that position. And what I was also skeptical of which I mentioned to everyone in the community, was price could very well come and take out the low first before then taking out the highs. Price will either take out highs and then take the lows, or take the lows and take the highs. We pushed down lower, and if I just put on the second position, because I actually re-entered into this position once the liquidity grab was confirmed. So we kept pushing down, really, really nice. Came back down right here, and then this is then where we took the another entry. So look at that, we had the support, price got taken out very, very aggressively, broke back above, came back for the retest, and then that's then where I was looking for longs. For the second position, I don't enter off a random level down here. I let the markets tell me when to enter. So this 5-minute candle closed very, very bearish. So in order for me to want to go long, the markets have to give me a reason to want to do so. Fast forward the next 5 minutes, where we got in. Bam, look at that, bullish. Price came, took out this low again, retested this level. You kind of argued you got this left shoulder head, came back down for that right shoulder. Now, whenever you see the 5-minute close so bearish and so bullish, it typically tells you that it's a false move. And I know that the 15-minute is going to close in the next few candles, and the 15-minute very well could leave a wick. You have to be understanding what picture is going to be painted on the higher time frame, even when you're on the 5-minute time frame. So if I'm on the 5-minute without even needing to go onto the 15-minute, I'm already thinking to myself, are we getting close to that 15-minute candle closure? Is it going to be in my favor, or is it going to go against me? Without even needing to look at it, I already know that this 15-minute is starting to leave a really nice wick to the lows, which gives me good confirmation that the 5-minute is probably ready to go in my favor. Now, that's where we took the long. Price pushed up very, very well, and we ran into, again, another 1%. Now, as soon as I fast forward on too quick, but as we ran up into that 1%, you guys can already see, because I've just joined on here. What did we have here? We had here, again, another double top. Now, although I believe price is going to come up and take out this double top, price doesn't have to do that straight away. Price could come and take the lows again before then going to do that. So once I saw price close very, very bullish, take out these highs and then close with the doji, it kind of gave me the perspective that if this was a true strong 5-minute close, why would we all of a sudden reverse so quick? Well, that's typically because we don't have the momentum or the liquidity to be able to sustain that move. So it tells me that we're probably going to have another unfortunate drive lower, and sometimes that's just the case with FX pairs, that it will manipulate you a lot, especially with a pair like GN, but you have to understand and know how they move. That's why for me, I'm more than happy to take 2 break-evens to then look to catch that one winner that will absolutely boom. And the direction called this morning was on absolute point and was to absolute perfection. I knew that this rip on GN was coming. This rip right here, which you guys see. Look at that, there. I knew that push this morning for around 130 pips was very well overdue. And it was just a matter of time before executing the plan until that happens, until we come and take out this double top. If we're going to have another push back down, then we're going to come and take these highs. So the plan this morning was just to get involved with longs until that has been taken out. So we took the break even there again, which then unfortunately would have got stopped out. However, break even, very well managed. So our positions hit 2.5%, unfortunately got us a break even before then price absolutely boomed. And unfortunately, I didn't get the re-entry because price was somewhat choppy and there was news coming out, and I didn't want to trade right before the news. So the news came out here, wicked out the highs and wicked out the lows. So anyone that was in any positions likely would have even got stopped out anyway. So that just happens sometimes. Sometimes you'll call direction really well, but price won't give you your entry. But your success as a trader isn't to catch every move in the markets. It's to catch the ones that fit your plan and make sense. So for me, yesterday, although I took 2 break-evens on day trading GN, this was a fantastic day and I wouldn't have played it any other better. If you keep executing like this, it's a matter of time before price does move in your favor and you do catch that 5 to 10% trade. So the key takeaway from this video is stick to your plan and manage your positions well. Trade management is a massive part of a risk management plan that not a lot of people talk about. People think I've got my entry, I've got my stop loss, and I've got my take profit. Either I hit my stop loss or I hit my take profit. For me, this doesn't make any sense. Managing your positions and getting out when the markets are telling you to get out at very key levels is the reason that I don't take so many losses and I don't go into massive losing streaks. Since running the community, we haven't had a losing month for this reason. If ever I have a position that's running in whatever percent profit and price is coming into a reversal region where it could go against me, I manage that to my advantage and I even hedge the shorts back down, or I go break even and I let price tell me what it wants to do next. So if you haven't really looked into trade management, it's something you have to start implementing. I could not trade without my trade management plan. And for you guys, you need to start implementing this and manage your losses. It's rare for me to take 1% losses all the time, not because I'm the most amazing trader and I call every single move, because I manage my positions to the best of my ability, and adapting a trades management plan has been a massive, massive thing for me. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please, leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know if you have a risk management plan and if trade management is part of your plan. And I'll be interested to hear what you guys think of. If you guys want to ask me any questions, then feel free to leave a comment below. And in the meantime, I will actually see you guys on Friday for the live trading session. We had 170 people there on our very first YouTube live stream, which was amazing to see you guys there. So if you do want to come in, sit along, you don't even have to trade, just sit, chat. It'll be a pleasure to see you guys there. But for now, take it easy, enjoy your trading week, and I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.